In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an end screen to an existing video in YouTube. So on your screen, you can see that I have this existing video, Cardano activity in Australia. Click on this pencil button, which will take you to the edit or the YouTube studio. Here, click on, so scroll down on the right, click on this pencil button against end screen. Then you can see that you will be presented with this. Now here, click on plus element and then click on video. Then either you can just go with the most recent upload, but in my case I want to choose a specific video, so select that drop down. You can either select your videos or you can simply give a URL. So I will just select any existing video. Let's say I go with this one, and I also want to add a subscribe button, so click on this plus element again and then click on subscribe button. So there you go. You can even just drag it here, maybe bring it to the middle, both of them, because that is where more visibility is. So once that's done, that's all you need to do, and you can even this will start appearing in your video at 2 minutes and 10 seconds. You can change this by dragging and dropping it like this, but I'm just keeping it here. So that's it. Click on save. Once that's done, this will be saved, but you can also just click on save here if you just have to change something here, just to be sure. So again, save here. So that's it. Now if you play it, like let me play it for you, or just to keep the video short, I will just skip it for now. So that's it. Thank you.